Hi friends, this is Anna. Today I'm back with another review for these single bathroom faucets. They're golden, very light gold color, very simple design, and I like the simplicity. The simpler the better, right? It does come with drain knob right there, and then the other one is the same kind. They are very cute, easy to use and clean. Just a little cute, sleek design, very simple. And this is something I was looking for. I didn't want to have any gold going on around. You know, sometimes you have a longer panels, and I was looking for something that's very simple to clean and maintain, and that was my ultimate goal. And we've achieved it with these cute, modern, and sleek bathroom faucets.